Hello everyone, welcome to the PubSuite tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to install the PubSuite. First of all, go to the link portsfigure.net. It is the official who have developed the PubSuite. Now scroll down. As you can see, there are three versions: Enterprise, Professional and Community. Now we will select the Community version as it is a free version. The download link is available in the description. You can download from there. Click on download button. Click on download. You can select here the versions. So I am downloading for Windows. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. I will open it. PubSuite is loading. So I have already installed on my PC. Click on next. Okay, so now it will start extracting the files. Okay, click on finish. Our PubSuite is installed. Now go to start and open the PubSuite. Click on Pub. Okay, so community edition, as you can see. Now as it is a community edition, we can only create the temporary project. We do not have any rights to create and save our project. As it is a free version, click on next. Now start the pub. Okay, so it's UI of PubSuite. Now here, as you can see, first we will have to set up the proxy. Now what it does, it will, whatever we search on the browser, it will first pass to the PubSuite and then it will pass to the authenticated host where we are surfing. Okay, so first enable the proxy. Now before it, we will enable and configure the proxy on our browser. So I am using Firefox here. Now we have opened the settings. Type proxy, click on settings. Now as you can see, I have already configured it. For configuration, click on manual proxy connection and the our localhost IP and the port 8081. Now here, as per your system, you can use the port. In my system, the 8080 port is not available, so I have used 8081 port. Click on OK. Okay, so now go to the PubSuite and set the port for proxy. Click on enable, click on edit. Now here, set the port to 8081. Click on OK. So as you can see, our proxy has been set. Now here you can on and off the proxy of our intercept of the packets. Okay. Now before working on PubSuite, we will first have to import the certificate. So here, go to the Firefox, search for certificates, but before, okay, so here type the PubSuite and the GUI appears. Click on CA certificate and save the certificate. Now go to the settings and search for certificates. View certificates. Now here, go to the authorities and import the certificate. Okay, so import this file. As I have already imported it, I will not import it one more time. Okay, now our box suit is set. So now let's see practically how the proxy interception works. Okay, so first let's go to the Google. As you can see, the Google has opened directly. There was no middle proxy connection refusing the connection. Now see the interception on the Bob suit. Click on intercept on. Now go to the Google one more time. So as you can see, now it will not go to the Google directly. It will first intercept from Bob suit, and now from here until we don't press the forward button, it will not forward our request. Now click on forward. Okay, now as you can see, the Google has opened. So this is how our Bob suit works. In the next tutorial we will explore the more options about the Bob suit. Thank you.